My exhaust on my Saab 93 is now broken. It's a 2006 TID model 8-volt diesel. So it's a 16 years old car, and I would guess that the exhaust is original. So that was 3000 RPM, and I will say that in this diesel car I can't really notice it. Maybe if I go up to around 4000 RPM that I can hear there's a difference in the exhaust note, and it's not like I would really care, but I think I need to have this pipe fixed for my MOT, or the 2-year inspection on this car. Luckily I don't live too far outside of Oslo, which is the capital of Norway, and there's one like Mekonomen shop that actually got these parts in store and not like a web shop. And I hate waiting on stuff, but I have to like pay a premium for the price. But when you register with your phone, like, you get the 25% off the first time. So I'm gonna use that code thing now and get that okay price, but it's nice to have things locally. If you're Swedish, you probably know what this is. And they got a lot of parts for Saabs. And I would guess everything, because they have like a warehouse by near. So new middle pipe, because I think mine was like broken off here or something, and the middle part. Then a new exhaust. It doesn't look like the original, but it will do the same job. So I don't know, the car is fairly quiet, even though I think there's an exhaust leak maybe in the flex pipe or somewhere between the downpipe and the catalytic converter, or if it's a middle sound dampener, I'm not sure. But I'm just hoping to get this through the 2-year control, so I don't have to care about it. If there is an exhaust leak, I don't really care that much, as long as it's road legal. The engine and everything feels fine, but I would advise you to put up the middle hanger thing that you take off with the 2 bolts, because when you're trying to get off the pipe in the back, you have to like wiggle it a little bit. So I think it's best to put it up again on those 2 mounts, so you don't put as much strain on the system in forward of it. So because if you like have a 15-year-old exhaust system and you like bending back and forth, that maybe also can give out. And the forward parts that would just shift out, all of them also would just be more money than I would like to spend on my car right now. Oh, my door. Hadn't closed the door, but yeah, I think I'm happy, even though there's probably an exhaust leak. But now you know, if your back exhaust falls off, you know how it's very simple to do. I only used like 1 hour on this job. The things that took long time was like wiggling to get the exhaust pipe off, the middle one, and using an angle grinder to take off that front clamp. Otherwise, easy job, I would say. So I can't really hear any more noise than normal, or like very like high or like very high drone and low RPMs. The only thing is that I hear the turbo more than I used to, and when I'm having the car stand still, it like makes more noise. Where the engine bay is, then I would think is normal. And other than that, there was one thing more I was thinking about. And the last thing I was remembering now was I don't really know how much pressure there is in the exhaust system when the car is just idling. But when I was just setting my hand in front of the exhaust, I could feel some pressure, and but yeah, I just felt that there wasn't enough pressure and it was making more sound from the front. So yeah, I have to search a little bit about that later, but I don't think I will do anything about it, as I already said. So but if some of you guys know, let me know, because I don't know. So thanks for watching.